Do this to reduce pore size.
I'd like to talk to you today about pores, and I'm also going to share some advice on what you can do to treat your pores if you wish to make them look smaller, tighter, smoother. Let me explain the point of pores. They're tiny little vessels in our skin that allow the sebum, the oil, to travel through to the surface of our skin. You can often think, oh, I don't want oil on my skin, but oil is what keeps our skin looking more youthful, more plump, younger for longer. So if we didn't have any pores at all, our skin would age on a much, much faster rate because it wouldn't have the oil to condition it and keep our skin nice and supple. So pores are very important. However, as we age, our pores do get a little bigger. We start to lose collagen in our skin. Collagen keeps our skin taut, tight, firm and bouncy and youthful. As the collagen starts to slow down in its production, the skin becomes a little bit looser, a little bit less elastic. So what happens? Those pores become slightly bigger and looser. Pores are very important, but we can improve the look of them. Encourage your skin to make more collagen, because if you can encourage your skin to make more collagen, then essentially it's going to stay more plumper, more firmer, more tighter, more elasticated for longer. So your pores are going to go from being a bit sort of baggy to going a bit more like... There's some really great ways you can encourage your skin to produce more collagen. One way is a really good vitamin C serum. Another option is to use a retinol. Vitamin C or retinol can really help produce more collagen over time. You could take a collagen supplement. This is one that I take. This will feed your skin collagen and make your skin feel just bouncier, more youthful, and it will help improve the look of your skin all over your body. Exfoliation is going to improve the look of the pores because it's going to make the surface area smoother. It's going to encourage new skin cells because you're going to slough away dead skin cells. And sometimes those dead skin cells can kind of clog up pores and start to stretch them as well. So exfoliation is brilliant. Cleanse your skin as you like to cleanse your skin. Take your muslin cloth and with some damp warm water, wet it and then gradually just buff it into the skin with a bit of the cleanser on it as well. That's a very inexpensive way that you can exfoliate your skin. If you find that you've got over oily skin and you want to start controlling that oil production, a very inexpensive tip to do is to use a jojoba oil. It can sound a bit counterintuitive because you're thinking, oh, why do I want to treat oil with oil? Jojoba oil isn't actually an oil as such. It looks and feels like an oil, but it's actually made up of lots of waxy esters. When it's applied to the skin, it actually almost mimics sebum. It tricks your skin into thinking that it's produced enough sebum, so it stops producing so much. Apply this at night. It's also really good for rosacea, or if you've got irritated skin. Excellent oil. I absolutely swear by. There's lots more details of this on Beauty in the Boutique. If you want to make your pores look smaller instantly, then makeup can obviously help. I would advise using a primer, a silicone-based primer that smooths over the skin and almost sits on the surface of the skin in the sense that it fills the little tiny craters. Another thing you can do is use a translucent powder that mats down where your pores are. If you're using quite a dewy looking foundation, the dewiness is going to actually highlight the texture of your skin because the light is going to reflect differently off those textures. If you were to just mattify where your pores are, say your nose here, a bit here and a bit there, wherever you feel that your pores are quite noticeable, then that will really just help take down the look of the pores. I will say it's probably only you that looks at your pores in that way. Most people won't even notice. Pores are good. Don't let them get you down. They are very, very good for us. Hope these tips and advice help. And yeah, see you soon for some more. Bye.